Okay, so for Tesla, this is a trade strategy that we've done several times now over in the small lots room that has worked out pretty well for us. And certainly we've been doing it here more recently in the $500 challenge has also been working really well recently. And it's basically as long as the other technicals match, like the bullish trend, the momentum and sentiment down here, we're looking for that possibility of a move higher from Thursday into Friday. Tesla in general has a good tendency of doing that. But on top of that, what makes it nice for us for this particular week is the first thing is we have a bullish divergent bar. So those in general are one of the indicators that I like to use that have a good probability of getting a higher high within the next 3 trading days. Of course, we're near the high of the bar, so do want to be a little mindful of that, but that is working in our favor. The other thing, though, that I like about this setup is, of course, we had Tesla earnings today, and if you had looked at it at the open, you might have been concerned as a bull, but certainly by the close, things have recovered and bounced back up. But the reason why this is interesting for our setup for this week is not only do we have that tendency of a Thursday into a Friday getting a bullish move, but we also have that tendency that happens right after earnings, where the next trading day usually gets some sort of higher high. So here, for example, Tesla gapped down on the last earnings, also made a bullish divergent bar, and then we got the next trading day a follow through on a higher high here as well, right? Was Tesla's announcement, right? And certainly off the close, we bounced up into a higher high there. When we look at this setup, right, had a bit of volatility around the news. This one also got a move higher off the close that day into a higher high. And then this one, of course, nice gap up. And then the next trading day got a follow through with a higher high. So we have that consistency working with us as well. So I did keep with tomorrow's expiration. What that does is it keeps the risk nice and small for us with a decent range on the strikes. We don't need it to move up too much in order for that to hit its profit. The downside, of course, is there's going to be no time to manage the trade. So it will either work or not work. So we'll see how it goes. I will keep y'all posted. As always, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedis, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Thanks. Bye, guys.